Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Versys LT SE Plus. This bike is loaded. It's got cornering lights, tilt angle sensors, heated grips, programmable electronic suspension, Akrapovic exhaust. It's got the Kawasaki bags and the Kawasaki top case. Only 2,838 miles on this gorgeous Versys 1000. 4-cylinder, inline 4-cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled, ABS brakes, KTRC Kawasaki traction control. I mean, this thing is loaded. Call for pricing. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Beautiful. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.